I'm Chef Belinda, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make meringue that will go with any of your pies that call for meringue topping. The ingredients I'm going to be using are egg whites, a little pinch of salt, cream of tartar, superfine sugar, and vanilla. So I'm using my stand mixer that is fitted with a wire whisk. Into the bowl, I'm going to add egg whites, a pinch of salt, cream of tartar, vanilla. Taste that. I'm going to gradually start the beaters until they get to full speed. And we're going to let this beat until soft peaks form. Now gradually add the superfine sugar, a little bit at a time. And we're going to let that beat until it forms stiff peaks. Then it's ready to apply to our pie. And now our meringue is ready, and this is what the peaks look like. You know they're ready when it will not fall off of the spatula or the spoon. Okay, so here is our lemon meringue pie that I have ready for the meringue to go on top. We're going to apply that, and then we're going to stick it into a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes or until the meringue browns on the top. Now our lemon meringue pie is ready. Oh, does that look good?